as you can see, with a hole in the motor, it doesn't drive. So I'm going to throw him on the truck and chuck a new motor in it. So the car's in the shed, it's back with a nice hole in the block. So now I'm going to take the motor out. I have a new motor on the way. Have to pull everything off, pull it out. We'll put it on the engine stand and we'll have a look how much damage.
Emotional damage!
Took off, you can see my bash plate. Getting there, and you can already see the main cap from the rod. So that is what came out. What is still inside, no one knows. So let's get this thing out. Alright, so I got the motor out. It's on the engine stand. Stuff's already falling out of it. Sump is lost. Yeah. Huge hole in the sump. And then pure carnage. Oil pump. Oil pump. Block. It's a block from there. I think feet somewhere. Yep. Oil pump. Oil pump. Oh, it wasn't the oil pump that let go. It was number one cylinder. That's the cap. Crank is nice and chewed up. In there's a piston. Look at this. Oil pump gear. Just chilling in there. That's wild. That was really nice. I did a good job. Alright, the whole pump is off. Now you can see here is the rod. In there, can't get to it. It's the top part of the rod. Cool. Not bent or anything at all. That looks pretty in there. No damage. Fan is still on. So, head gasket's on there nicely. That did its job. Let's punch this piston out. Have a look. Who can tell the difference? Which one's the broken one? Which one's the good one? So, it was really destroyed. Everything out of the piston's cracked also. The rings are holding together. Just a little bit. This is number 2. And yeah, the bearing's nice. Top piston's good. I have no detonation. I think there's a bit of ring in there. So yeah, that is it. Get the mounts off, get the adapter off, put a block on the ground because I don't need it anymore. It's now a really big anchor. And that was my experience with number 1. Okay. I'm gonna try to stop destroying my car. I would like to get him on the road again, fix it up. I hope to have a motor in this mess. Looks like a rat's nest. Hey, look what I found. Bit of ring. Still usable. I'll chuck him back in. Ready to go. So I've got the new block here. Stripping this thing down, get ready, put all the stuff back on, throw it in this thing. I swap everything over, get everything all clean again, and pull the turbo apart. Hopefully it's not dead. Clutch looks good, and we're gonna send it again. Long time no see, peoples. Tomorrow is the big day that this thing gets registered with the Honda block on it, motor block. I hope, I really hope. So as you can see now, I've got this big Dulce pipe boy. I need to make it quieter. Now I have to have an enclosed airbox. Now, this thing is really big. He sits here and makes all the noises which they don't like here. So I was like, shit, I gotta make a box, airbox, enclosed airbox. So voila, a toilet bin, plastic bin, with a little dome on it, and cut a hole, put it in there, fill it with some foam, and then that's the quietness for him. Secondly is it's too noisy out the exhaust also, 3.5 inch straight through. But I have a cat and a box, but it's still too noisy. So I'm gonna, just before the cat, I'm gonna stuff him full of steel wool. Bonus points, it helps with emissions also. The CO2 smoky boys coming out the back. As you can see, it's black because I painted it because it looks cool, but it's hollow. The big boy system all the way through. Yeah. So that's my job today. Also make a little heat shield to shield some heat. Electric power steering sitting there nice and pretty. A lot of you wanted it, so made it. Can fit here if you don't have intercooler piping there. You grab him, you spin the mount, it bolts here. Sits nicely there. He's further back. I need to make it go forward, but... So, we stand in front of the certificate station, RDV, Netherlands, Q station. Let's hope they're happy with the block on the number plate.